Go get those other horses.
I think Echo would have made a beeline for those other horses.
Oh, yeah.
And then I don't know if I'd have been able to ever catch her again.
I know Sage is easy to catch.
And they're leaving her alone. They're not interested
Yeah.
in her either.
Well, get her to move, Daniel.
Barn's open.
Get her to move. Get her to move. Get her to move. I know. Don't kick her. You don't need to kick her. I don't think she's going to move. Yeah. Okay. Get her to move, Daniel. Get her to move, Daniel. No? You want the lead rope? Okay.